And Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached out to West Bengal on Durga Puja. The Prime Minister virtually joined the Durga Puja celebrations through a video link or 30-minute speech. Modi spoke on his government's development push in Bengal, women empowerment, self-reliance and adhering to COVID norms during the Puja celebrations. Modi counted 30 lakh free houses, Ujjwala benefit for 90 lakh women, clean water at 8 lakh homes, and 8,500 crore rupees grant for the Kolkata Metro. Prime Minister used several Bengali phrases to express his vision for the state, which goes to poll next year. The Prime Minister said his government has always worked for the development in Bengal.
साथियों, इस बार हम सभी कोरोना के संकट के बीच दुर्गा पूजा मना रहे हैं। मां दुर्गा के भक्त, पंडालों के आयोजकों, सबने इस बार अद्भुत संयम दिखाया है। संख्या पर भले असर पड़ा हो, लेकिन भव्यता वही है, दिव्यता वही है। आयोजन भले ही सीमित है, लेकिन उत्सव का रंग, उल्लास, आनंद असीमित है। यही तो बंगाल की पहचान है, यही तो बंगाल की चेतना है, यही तो असली बंगाल है। हां, मेरा आपसे ये आग्रह जरूर है कि मां दुर्गा के पूजा के साथ ही आप 2 गज की दूरी, मास्क पहनने और अन्य नियमों का पालन भी पूरी निष्ठा से करें। हमें सभी बेटियों को दुर्गा की तरह सम्मान करने की सीख दी जाती है। नवरात्र में उनकी पूजा की जाती है और मां दुर्गा की पूजा तो साक्षात शक्ति की साधना है। हमारी मां दुर्गा दारिद्र्य, दुख, भय हारिणी कही जाती है, दुर्गति नाशिनी कही जाती है। अर्थात वो दुखों को, दरिद्रता को, दुर्गति को दूर करती है। इसलिए दुर्गा पूजा तभी पूरी होती है जब हम किसी के दुख को दूर करते हैं। देश में आज महिलाओं के सशक्तिकरण का भी अभियान तेज गति से जारी है। चाहे जन धन योजना के तहत 22 करोड़ महिलाओं के बैंक खाते खोलना हो, या फिर मुद्रा योजना के तहत करोड़ों महिलाओं को आसान ऋण देना, चाहे बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ अभियान हो, या फिर 3 तलाक के खिलाफ कानून, सेना में परमानेंट कमीशन, देश की नारी शक्ति को सशक्त करने के लिए निरंतर काम किया जा रहा है। महिलाओं की सुरक्षा को लेकर भी सरकार सजग है। रेप की सजा से जुड़े कानूनों को बहुत सख्त किया गया है। दुराचार करने वालों को मृत्यु दंड तक का प्रावधान हुआ है।
Indrajit Kundu is now joining us, reporting from Kolkata. And Indrajit, what's the mood like at the pandal right there where you're standing by? It's very festive indeed, despite the COVID-19 restrictions. It looks like the festivities are still on, keeping in mind the COVID pandemic restrictions.
Are all funded by
Well, that's right. A little dampened, no doubt. A little smaller in scale, Durga Puja celebrations this year. However, remember, it's just 6 months away from the big 2021 assembly elections in the state, and therefore, Durga Puja is not just a socio-cultural event anymore. This has taken political colors. This Durga Puja pandal behind me, of course, is the first time the BJP's cultural cell has organized this Durga Puja, and This is the puja which was inaugurated and where the Prime Minister himself addressed the people of Bengal from. So he spoke about a host of issues today. He spoke about Nari Shakti, he spoke about Bengal, the cultural pride of Bengal, and also spoke about the central schemes that are benefiting West Bengal at this point in time. 8,500 crores is what he mentioned that has been granted to the East-West, prestigious East-West Metro project here in Kolkata, and several other schemes. So clearly there was a political message, and we will try and get a word in from Babul Supri, Union Minister, who is also here. So host of celebrities, host of ministers. Bengal BJP of course has 18 MPs and most of them were present here. So we'll just catch hold of Babulda. Just tell us, it was a unique event of, Prime Minister inaugurating a Durga Puja for the first time, and at the same time your party conducting a Durga Puja for the first time, because it seems like complete stranglehold of the Trinamool Congress.
Well, taking a leaf out of what you said, for donkey's years, for his history, we have seen the biggest of political leaders funding and organizing the Durga Pujas, from Somen Mitra to Subrata Mukherjee when he was in Congress, to today. The biggest of... Yes, all the Trinamool leaders are doing it, and for so many years, we, as Bengalis, we were all part of Durga Pujas in some way or the other. But we never got to organize a puja, because anywhere we were invited to open a Durga Puja. Trinamool through ruckus, they broke places, they cancelled those programs. Last year I had to call Kalyan Banerjee to stop that in Srirampur. So this year we are doing it here, and that's, I don't know. Trinamool Congress is that unruly party, and I'll bring in the stringent announcement, stringent restrictions that were imposed by the High Court. Why? Because in this biggest of Durga Pujas in Kolkata, which are all organized by the Trinamool leaders, no intent was shown by the government to keep that do gaz ki duri or to let police handle it in the manner given the new normals. And that is the reason why the High Court took a cognizance of all of that, and these restrictions were imposed. So I think politicizing Durga Puja is one thing, and getting the political leaders of the political parties to organize a festival is another thing. So it is petty-mindedness, narrow-mindedness. If Trinamool Congress, they are staying in the glass house themselves if they try to throw stones on others.
But interestingly, Prime Minister mentioned several central schemes, and you would be aware of one such scheme is the 8,500 crore rupees that has been given to the East-West Metro. You've taken keen initiative about that. So he spoke about those schemes which are benefiting West Bengal. So he clearly had a political message.
No, there's no political message. You had the Prime Minister, the Honorable Prime Minister, leading the humongously popular vote that got this central government in place. He, in these trying times when we are all restless about now and the future, with the vaccine not really just around the corner. So it's the Prime Minister's message and comforting balm on those restless minds about what the government is doing and what are the schemes that we have going forward. It is the day of Nari Sashaktikarana. So it is his niceness that not only he showcased that as a comforting thing to the people, but also said it in Bengali, which will obviously strike the right chord in the little bit of helplessness that rests whether in the rich or in the absolute poor. So it's a beautiful occasion that happened, and we, as part of Bengal BJP, we would like to express our heartiest of gratitude, sincerest of affection and appreciation for him taking out this time for us.
Since you are dressed up in Bengali attire, one wish in Bangla to all our audiences of India today who are watching it in West Bengal.
বাংলায় যারা থাকেন, বাঙালি এবং অবাঙালি, সারা বিশ্বে যারা ইন্ডিয়া টুডে দেখছেন, তাদের সবাইকে আমাদের সবার পক্ষ থেকে শুভ শারদিয়ার অনেক অনেক প্রীতি, শুভেচ্ছা ও ভালোবাসা, এবং আগাম শুভ বিজয়া, খুব ভালো কাটুক আপনাদের পুজো।
তোমাকেও শুভ ষষ্ঠীর শুভেচ্ছা। So of course Babul Supri here taking part in the celebration, in the festivities, and as I have been speaking to BJP leaders at this very pandal, they have been telling us that in a sense they were literally forced to organize a Durga Puja like the one that they have done this time around, because most of the Durga Puja, the big ones, are in a sense controlled by the Trinamool Congress leadership, and the BJP wants to break into that. They haven't found much of a success, and therefore what they decided was they will themselves organize a Durga Puja, which the Prime Minister inaugurated and addressed the West Bengal public from. Back to you.
All right, Indrajit, thanks so much for getting us those details right there. Let's now take a look at the ground report from one of the famous pandals in Kolkata.
You may be barred from visiting a pandal physically this year due to a Kolkata High Court ruling, but we at India Today and Aaj Tak will take you on a virtual pandal hopping spree here in Kolkata. We are right now at the very famous College Square Durga Puja Pandal, one of the most famous puja pandals in the city, without which your puja viewing experience is incomplete each and every year. Every year at this very venue, you have lakhs of people coming in, massive crowds. This pandal, in fact, is known for garnering one of the biggest crowds every year. And this year, it's all empty. Here at the pandal, let's give you a glimpse of what is the kind of preparation that has been put in place by the College Square Puja authorities. A grand Durga idol as is put up every year. This is the tradition of College Square. It's steeped in tradition. It's one of the most oldest Durga Pujas in the city. And one of the highlights of College Square Puja, of course, every year is its lighting. And this is what is famous at College Square. You see this grand chandelier. The entire ceiling of the pandal is covered by this grand chandelier, and every year lakhs of devotees come to just watch the lighting and the decor of this pandal. But do not be disappointed, because as we said, here on India Today and Aaj Tak, we are going to give you a virtual tour of this entire pandal. If my camera person can show the topmost part of this pandal, and then you'll get a nice panoramic view of how this pandal has been decorated. What I can see, of course, is that even though this pandal has been made with plywood and woodwork, there are paintings of Raja Ravi Verma all across. You can see at least 6 paintings of Raja Ravi Verma. Iconic paintings have been put up right on the ceiling of this pandal. These are all iconic paintings, and of course this mesmerizing glittering Durga idol, which is of course the trademark, the tradition of College Square Durga Puja here in Kolkata. With camera person Probir Biswas, this is Indrajit reporting for India Today in Kolkata.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.